Hello, this is Diana and this is my tutorial on PoodLL in the editor. So we have several options here. We have actually several editors, several options, and in those editors we have PoodLL features. Okay, now I'm gonna use TinyMC editor, and to do that I need to go to Preferences and choose this editor because I think I have the default editor right now. Yeah, I'm gonna choose TinyMC editor, and don't forget to save changes. I keep forgetting to save changes. So yeah, now I'm going to record my reply to the post of my fellow Moodler, Nestor. Okay, and I will use this editor. I'd like to see how it looks here. Takes a while. Okay, just a moment. Yes. So as you can see, we have PoodLL features here. We can record MP3, we can record video, draw a picture, take a picture. I'm gonna to make Nestor really happy and record video now. So, okay, I'm not sure if it works. So it's supposed to, yeah. Okay, if it does not work, then you'll need to check if you allow your browser to access your camera and microphone. So everything works fine here. Okay, I'm starting the recording. Hello, Nestor. Thank you very much for your tutorial. It was really helpful for me. See you soon. Bye. Okay, so we have the check here. We can play it back. Check again. Everything is fine. Okay, and it is ticked here, uploaded successfully, and I can insert it now. So simple, so nice. Okay, should I draw a picture to Nestor? Because I've been drawing pictures in some comments today, so probably I need to... Okay, what should I draw? I'm such a wonderful... Okay. Well, yeah, I think it makes people happy. Yeah, you see? So I draw a wonderful bird. Happy bird. Okay. Oh, so nice. Probably I should have put my cursor a little bit, you know, here, but okay. Let's have a look how it will look like in a post. Oh my God, so beautiful. Okay, yeah, here we go. Nice, I like that. Okay, what can we do next? I think that we can change our preferences, editor preferences, and choose another editor. This one. Save changes again. And let's try and choose another person and respond to his or her to his or her discussion. Yep, come on. Yeah. You see, I've been doing my work here. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I actually I will have a look how it looks in different editor. Okay. When I click on reply, I think it will look differently this time. My editor will look differently. Just a moment. Yeah, so these are the features, well, actually the same features: record audio, video, draw a picture, and take a picture here. But also we have insert a widget. So we can insert stopwatch, PoodLL calculator, YouTube. There are 2 stopwatches here. So if you want to have a look, if you want to see what's the difference, just try it out. That's the best way to learn. Just try it and don't be afraid. It's nothing to be afraid of. So, happy Moodling! I hope it was helpful. Bye bye, see you soon!